Mr. Fatami Ganani, good morning.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to know, you are an engineer by profession and you are a trainer, you've been training pilots. So what exactly you found in DXN and why did you choose DXN as a career?
Very interesting question. First thing is, I was enjoying my job, but there was no freedom. That was one. Number two is, I was suffering from a personal problem, health called irritable bowel syndrome for 10 years. And I tried everything from modern medicine to alternative medicine, but it didn't work out. And somebody introduced me that there is a mushroom which can help you. After 2 months, I went back to Canada. And there I saw a lot of people using the same product in Vancouver, Canada. So I got into it full time. I said, let's do it as a business.